नोएडा फिल्म सिटी में स्थित मारवा स्टूडियो में 26 से 28 नवंबर तक चलने वाले 13वें ग्लोबल फिल्म फेस्टिवल के पहले दिन के तीसरे सत्र में मनोरंजन उद्योग में इवेंट्स के महत्व और इसके बदलते स्वरूप पर चर्चा की गई। कोरोना वैश्विक महामारी के इस दौर में एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री में हो रहे बदलाव का भी अध्ययन किया गया। 13वें ग्लोबल फिल्म फेस्टिवल प्रेसिडेंट एवं ICMEI के प्रेसिडेंट संदीप मारवा ने कहा कि कोरोना महामारी के दौरान मनोरंजन उद्योग सबसे बुरी तरह से प्रभावित रहा। बहुत सारे कार्यक्रम स्थगित होने के कारण राजस्व का बहुत बड़ा नुकसान हुआ है। वर्तमान समय में एंटरटेनमेंट का तरीका बदल गया है। सब कुछ मोबाइल, कंप्यूटर और टेलीविजन चैनल पर आ गया है।
Today, I'm very proudly I can say that Noida Film City is the fastest growing film city in the world today. 100-acre complex, 75 acres outdoor, 25 acres indoor, 16 studios, and out of 16 studios, 350 channels are being broadcast to 162 countries 24/7. Around about 17,000 media professionals, they're working in this film city in 3 shifts of 8 hours each. When it comes to Marva Studios, we're very happy that we have churned out around about 4,500 television program for more than 50 channels. We are associated with around 150 feature films and 5,000 films we have made. And my production company has 2,900 short films from this place. Where we are happy that our institution has given birth to more than 19,000 media professionals hailing from 145 countries of the world. Coming back to tourism, 30 years back, we gave one word to English dictionary of film tourism, and people were a bit amazed, rather shocked, and they could not actually relate themselves to film tourism. But today I'm happy that the whole world is talking about film tourism, and every country is trying their level best to attract feature films and television programs to their country so that their locales should get popular.
WASME के एग्जीक्यूटिव सेक्रेटरी डॉक्टर संजीव लायक ने इस कार्यक्रम के दौरान कहा कि कई कार्यक्रमों की योजना महीनों पहले ही बन जाती है, लेकिन इतने सारे अज्ञात लोगों के साथ इस महामारी में सामूहिक कार्यक्रम संभव नहीं है। कोरोना महामारी की वजह से बहुत सारे कार्यक्रमों को भी रद्द कर दिया गया है। फिर भी छोटे छोटे कार्यक्रमों के माध्यम से सकारात्मक सोच और आशा के साथ आगे बढ़ने की पूरी संभावना है।
Sandeep Marwa and team and the ICMEI for giving this platform, and you are doing wonders in this pandemic, because this COVID has already disrupted all businesses. And I represent MSME. MSME is the heart, and film and entertainment industry, they have been also been greatly hit by this pandemic.
MSME के ग्लोबल चेयरमैन इंद्रजीत घोष ने कहा कि नए सुरक्षा दिशा निर्देशों के पालन करके इस वैश्विक महामारी से बचाव किया जा सकता है, इसलिए हम सकारात्मक सोच के साथ आगे बढ़ सकते हैं।
Good evening to everyone. It's my pleasure, and I must thank you, Mr. Sandeep ji, for giving this opportunity to speak in such a dignified platform. As for the entertainment is concerned, during the last 7-8 months, we are facing so much, stress everywhere. So entertainment events should happen, in a vigorous way. Otherwise, people cannot simply work with a cool mind, because in everyday's life also entertainment is required. But for this last 7-8 months, what is happening all over the world, it is more required to help the people, to whatever work they are doing in a peace manner.
लंदन के फेरिस एंटरटेनमेंट के प्रेसिडेंट पीटर फेरिस ने कहा कि लाइव म्यूजिकल परफॉर्मेंस और म्यूजिक फेस्टिवल सबसे अच्छे प्रकार के आयोजनों में से एक है, लेकिन बदलते दिशा निर्देशों और स्वास्थ्य संबंधी प्रतिबंधों को देखते हुए ऐसा कर पाना बहुत मुश्किल है।
Well, everybody around the world, and here I am in the United Kingdom, originally from Belfast, Northern Ireland. I need to thank Sandeep Marwa. What an incredible inspiration, what a mentor, what a wonderful, wonderful man. And thank you for everything he's doing. Thank you for inviting me here. I've been in the industry for 35 years as an actor, a producer, as a composer. Throughout that time, I was a teacher as well and taught a lot of people who have become very famous. I was blessed in 2017 to be chosen as one of the top 50 teachers in the world. I became a global teacher ambassador.
लंदन के AASGON के प्रेसिडेंट अब्दुल मोहम्मद देवले ने कहा कि उद्योग को फिर से शुरू करने के लिए सभी क्षेत्रों के संयुक्त प्रयास की आवश्यकता होगी, तभी इस वैश्विक महामारी को हराया जा सकता है।
When we talk about the film industry, the entertainment industry, we all know that we're all players in this world. We're all in the theater, and everybody has a part to play, a role to play. So you find that we're living in a world of entertainment where everybody has one part or the other to play. And my particular, leaning towards what's the great thing that Dr. Marwa has been doing is the fact that my organization, which is the Africa Asia Scholars Global Network and the Global South Economic Forum,
AFWPI के फाउंडर और प्रेसिडेंट एंजेलिक मोनेट ने कहा कि उद्योग जगत को लंबे समय तक इस महामारी का सामना करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि कोविड-19 के पूरी तरह समाप्त होने की कोई निश्चित सीमा नहीं है, इसीलिए किसी भी कार्यक्रम को करना बहुत कठिन है।
I want to thank all the speakers that came before me because everyone said exactly how I feel about our Dr. Sandeep Marwa. You know, he's one of the best individuals that I can say I've ever met in this world. He is one of the only individuals that I've ever met that resume is the longest, and he's actually delivered and received and done every spectacular information on the resume.
इस कार्यक्रम में लॉयंस क्लब ऑफ दिल्ली वेस्ट के गौरव गुप्ता, DEARC एंटरटेनमेंट के रिदम दत्ता, आफ्टरनून इंग्लिश डेली की डॉक्टर वैदेही तमन सहित इस क्षेत्र से जुड़े हुए कई प्रतिष्ठित गणमान्य महानुभावों ने अपनी गरिमामय उपस्थिति दर्ज कराई।
मैडम, गुड इवनिंग संदीप जी एंड डियर eminent panelists. It is a proud privilege to be with Dr. Sandeep Marwa again. He is the person who was most active in this pandemic, and daily we were meeting in the Zoom meeting and tried to be connected. And it is rightly said, it is very essential to have events. Even if you can't have physical event, you should have the Zoom or say online events.
You were saying this is the 13th year of the Global Film Festival. I would also like to make it a point that this is my 13th year of media and entertainment. I started my journey in 2007, way back when I got the opportunity to be with Doordarshan. So from there till now is the 13th year, and yes, media and entertainment is an important part right now. All we see, all we perceive, especially in the month of COVID, it has happened because there is a media, there is a platform where we can go on and check the latest happenings of the day-to-day world. And similarly, when we talk about entertainment, had there not been any scope for OTT or something like that in the period of entertainment, in the period of COVID, then there would have been a very different ball game altogether.
Every moment is celebration, and I completely agree that we are born with celebration till the death, and celebration should be every time because that is the feel-good factor. And Marwa ji, you are simply amazing person who unites every time a group of people. They are from different walks of life, and here we are again. Everyone is to celebrate the award event, and I congratulate everyone. And at the same time, I want to speak 2 lines about the media, present media. Unfortunately, greater the banners, bigger the hypocrisy right now.
इस ग्लोबल फिल्म फेस्टिवल में मीडिया और मनोरंजन उद्योग के नामचीन हस्तियों एवं सामाजिक संगठनों को इस क्षेत्र और उनके महत्वपूर्ण योगदान के लिए ICMEI उत्कृष्टता पुरस्कार से सम्मानित भी किया गया।